Namaste, Jai Hind and welcome to this edition of The Right Stand, and we'll begin, ladies and gentlemen, with big news coming in from the state of Kerala. It's a huge fillip to those championing the cause of freeing Hindu temples from the clutches of netas and government control. And the big news is that the Kerala High Court in its order has said that those active in politics cannot be appointed as non-hereditary trustees to the temple. The High Court order was while considering a petition against the appointment of 2 CPIM workers and 1 DYFI worker as non-hereditary trustees to the Sri Pookurthukalikavu temple in Palakkad district under the Malabar Devasam Board. The petition was filed by Anantha Narayanan and P.N. Sriraman. The division bench of the High Court did not accept the argument that DYFI is not a political organization. Ashok Kumar, one of the non-hereditary trustees, was a local committee member of the CPIM. Ratish was a branch secretary of the CPIM. And they both tried to tell the court that when they were appointed as non-hereditary trustees, they did not hold any positions with the CPIM. But the court has turned around and said whether or not you held a post when you were appointed or you hold a post afterwards, people in active politics should not be appointed as non-hereditary trustees of the temples. And big judgment this coming through. Neetu Raghukumar now joins us with more details. Neetu, although they seem to have finished their term, the court has not quashed this petition, but this is a significant judgment. Will this now have a rippling effect over the Devasam Board appointments across other Devasam Boards?
See, in Devasam Board, they have certain rules in place for the appointment. Now, in this particular case, it was also in the rule. It was also mentioned that they shouldn't be active in politics, but that was not looked into, is what we are understanding when this appointment was made. The respondents tried to tell the court that they didn't have any positions when they were appointed, and the positions came only after they were appointed. But court clearly saying that that cannot be accepted. Whether you hold a position or not, you were active in politics, and somebody who is active in politics cannot be appointed as non-hereditary trustees. Now, the term of these 3 people expired on February 20th, 2023, and so the court did not issue any writ quashing this order, but clearly told the Malabar Devasam Board to ensure that the appointment of non-hereditary trustee in the temples are done strictly in accordance with the directions and also the observations that they made here. So clearly saying that those who are active in politics, be it any politics, they cannot be appointed as non-hereditary trustees to the temple.
Now, will this have a rippling effect across other Devasam boards in Kerala? That's the other question, because now this order could be cited in terms of those who are trying to getting appointments as non-hereditary trustees, and if they are active in politics, then they should have to recuse themselves.
That's correct. If they are active in politics, they will not be appointed. But I don't think this is like a large-scale appointment of politicians that are happening under the Devasam Board temples, because in many times they are selected. There are even there are set rules for these Devasam Boards to select these trustees and members. So those have to be followed, and
right.
This is one such rule, Anand.
Well, thank you for your inputs, Neetu. Moving on.